Okay, now we'll be doing the booklet printing for Apeos C7070 of Fujifilm, and let's try this. So I'll go on printing. We'll check the properties. I have to set it on booklet printing tray, which I recently done the settings and make it as a bookmark. So I'll go say okay. I need 10 sets of it, so I'll say 10 copies and then say print. And there it goes. Printing is starting. First sample has been printed, so we'll see the pages. So this is the front, and we have the page 1, then we have the page 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Then we have the back page. It is automatically folded and stapled.